What up, team? What up, family? What up, world? Today, we diving straight into the Zenosu strategy. You can go to my website and purchase your strategy. I have many strategies on there. Website's right up there above my head, www.kobktrading.bitcartel.com. We're going to go ahead. We're going to dive into the market. I found another account that I had. It has $100 in there. So the goal is to make $1,000 today using that strategy. Maybe 500 to 1,000. We'll just see how the market works. So stay tuned. All right, so we're back on pocket options, and I'll leave the link in the description down below where you guys can register using my link. I have a promo code on there. Whatever you invest into your live account, they're going to give you 50% on top of that. So if you invest 200, they're going to give you $100, and that's going to be $300 that you can actually trade with in your live account. So I have $109 in this account. This is just a random account that I just so happened to find this morning. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to look through the market and we're going to see if we can find some trades. I actually just missed the entry. According to my Zenosu strategy, I'm not going to chase the market. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to find some good setups and then we're going to take some trades. So I'm using a Zenosu strategy and I was looking for a trade and I accidentally took a trade on USD Chef. Yeah, I didn't mean to do that, but we are in profit on USD Chef. I'll show you guys right here. I'm actually waiting on USD CAD to take this for a buy. Put on my currency strength meter. USD is absolutely stronger than the Canadian dollar. So I really should be selling, but I think it's at a pivotal point where it can actually turn around real quick. And then also on USD Chef, as you guys see over here, here's my entry. Beautiful entry, beautiful. But I might go back in this trade for the call based on the Zenosu strategy. Over here, USD is way stronger than Chef. So I'm definitely going to be taking a call after this. So actually, just pull back. Just pull back. She pulled back. So we will be looking at USD Chef actually for this call. We're just waiting on the setup, waiting on the setup. And now if I win this trade, I'm about to actually clear our first trade for the morning. We're a 1-0. That's $5.76 on that trade. I'm going to reinvest 5.76 to compound. And we're going to just see what happens today. So far, we're doing good. First trade was an accidental trade because it wasn't going off my strategy. I do now see USD Chef gaining control. USD is gaining control. So we have exactly 74 seconds left until we see what the market does before we enter our next trade. So once this set up, we'll see what happens, and then we will take that trade. All right, all right. So I found two trades that I'm in right now. So I'm actually in, and both of them are in profit right now. I'm in CAD JPY for a sell, and we're about to get another entry there. We're in profit $22 on that trade. And then I'm also in USD Chef for a buy. And I want you guys to look at these entries. These entries are phenomenal. I'm going to go to a line chart real quick. So we're looking at USD Chef. This green line right here is where I entered, and she is taking off. She's off to the races. She's not coming back. We're up $11 on that trade. And then CAD JPY, we entered here. The ball is underneath that line. She's going back and forth. So we're going to see. It's going to be very close. I did enter this trade a little bit late, but it's okay. We're going to see what happens and see how this actually plays out. We just cleared USD Chef. It looks like we're going to take a lesson on CAD JPY, but we still have time. And I know I jumped in late, guys. When we take these trades, you want to make sure that you hit it at the right time. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to wait on CAD JPY, and I'm going to double my amount because I did just lose that trade. So I'm going to go $20 on this trade, and I'm actually going to wait for the setup. I'm not going to go anywhere else. I'm going to stay on this pair and I'm going to be focused on CAD JPY. So we have 21 seconds left here. CAD is super weak. JPY is stronger. Should have won that trade. But if we look here, the overall trend is an uptrend on this right now. So we're just going to be patient, see what we get. I would really like this to come down below my red line right here. Then I would take a sell, but we're going to take the buy. We're going to take the buy. We're going to take the call. So let's just be patient. Then I'll be back in about 40 seconds and see if the setup presents itself to us so we can go on to the next one. All right, so I just came over here to AUD CAD. We know that AUD CAD is stronger. I mean, AUD is stronger than CAD. AUD is super strong. CAD is super weak. So I will be looking to take a call to hit this green button if everything presents itself right here in 3 seconds. So I'm waiting. It's not ready. I'm going to be patient. And then I'm gonna just wait for the setup, and then I'm going to go in on AUD CAD. I might even increase my trade amount on this trade. Let's see. If I go 40, it's not worth it because of the payout. This one is only paying out. Let me see. AUD CAD. What's AUD CAD paying out? AUD CAD is paying out. AUD CAD is paying out 81%. 81%. So I'll stay to the $20 on this trade. So if I invest $20, I trade $20, I risk $20, my profit on this trade is going to be $16.20. So let's just be patient. We have 8 seconds and we're going to see what happens. I see that price was coming down and it was pushing it back up. Let's just see. And it's still not ready. AUD CAD is still not ready. I'm not going to rush it because I want a great entry. And then on top of that, even though we have the strength, I would much rather trade something that's like 92%. Oh, I need to go to 2 minutes here. There we go. That's what I need to look for. All right. I'm glad I've seen that. So we're getting a nice little rally right here. We are getting a nice engulfing candle to engulf these two. But I don't think it's going to stay here. You guys already see that it's starting to push back up right here. The buyers are saying, hey, what are you doing? We're stronger than you. We want to push you back up. So I don't think this next candle is going to be ready either. I think we're going to have to wait another candle. We're going to see. It's engulfing all of that. Then I believe we'll get a retest and then we'll go back up. As you see, it dropped some more. But here come the buyers right now. But it's not time for us to enter this trade yet. All right, so as I was sitting here waiting with my brother who's on the call right now, we were looking at Chef JPY, and I actually took this trade on Chef JPY. And look at that entry, y'all. Look at the drop. Look at the drop. So we have 1:35 seconds left on this one right here. Yeah, we're looking good. Let me go over here to line. Oh, make at least 10 trades on OTC. Thank you. I'll take that achievement. Oh, this is just a fun account that we're growing this morning. Let me go to line real quick, show you guys what's going on. So I entered the trade up here. Here's the ball. As long as that ball is below that line, wherever you enter, you will win that trade. So when I close this trade out in profit, I'm going to take my profits and I'm going to reinvest. So my next trade is going to be $38.40, 38.40. Boom. And it works just like that. I love this strategy. Yes, sir. So we'll be back at the close of this candle while we look for another one. All right, cool. So we're down at 10 seconds left. Wait. 6, 5, 4. We're about to clear out. 3, 2, One, we gonna take that trade, and now I'm gonna go to AUD cat because I was looking at this one, but she's not ready. So I got time. I don't have to rush in the market to look for the next setup, and then we're gonna execute the trade. So now I'm taking my profits that I just earned, reinvesting it back into the market because now I'm playing with a little bit of my money, but mostly market money. So if I really wanted to, I can cut that in half and play strictly with the market money, meaning the profits that I earned from the market. So when I find another setup, we're going to take that one and we're going to run it up. All right, so we have 60 seconds left on here. So what I just did was I decreased my amount, I cut it in half. So now I have the profits in my account, and I'm only risking what I won in profit on the previous trade. So I'm waiting for this setup. If everything looks phenomenal, we will execute this trade for a call on AUD CAT. AUD we know is super strong, way stronger than CAT. So this is looking like a really good setup. We just have to be patient and make sure that the overall trend continues to stay in a buy. So when we hit buy, she takes off and there's no worries at all. No worries. So we'll see what happens here in 13 seconds. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just wait here with you guys and we're gonna see. We might have an entry on AUD CAT. AUD cat. Nope, she's not ready. So we'll be back when she's ready. She's not ready yet. So we'll just take our time. All right, y'all. We got a little action. We got action. So price was trying to come down, but we know the overall trend is a buy. And it came to this level, but hey, my buyers in the market, they like, hold up, what you doing? You're not coming down this low. So I think on this next candle, we're going to get a massive retracement to the upside. Then I'm going to be ready to execute this trade. I really want this candle right here to close above this line right here. That's what I really want. Doesn't look like it's going to happen. We got some resistance here. Oh, there we go. We got some resistance, but I'm still going to execute this trade. Not yet. Oh my gosh. So close. So close. It's about being patient, y'all. Being patient. Don't be trigger happy. Be patient, and the trades will come to you. So I'm not leaving this pair. I'm going to wait on this pair. Matter of fact, I'm not even gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. I might risk my whole account. I'm gonna say it. I might risk my whole account on this trade, but that would be being reckless. That would be not using proper risk management. So I'm not going to do that. But I want to. But I'm not going to do that because that's how you blow your account. So I'm gonna just be patient and wait and trade accordingly. And I actually might look for another setup right now because now the overall trend has turned into a downtrend. So let's go look at the currency strength meter for AUD CAD. Let's refresh real quick. We still have the strength here. I'm on currencystrengthmeter.org. You guys can go to Google, type in currency strength meter, and there's some free ones on there that you can select from to look at the current market price. One thing that I wish I can do here on this one is change the time frame of the strength because during different time frames, the strength meter is different. Meaning on the 2 minute, like I'm on right now, CAD seems way stronger than AUD. But if I was to go to the 5 minute time frame, AUD may be stronger. So that's one thing I wish I could change. And you guys see it's dropping. Got 24 seconds. So what I want to do real quick while I wait on that, I'm gonna go check this one out and let's see what we have here. So AUD is 3 and CAT is 1. So there's a little difference there. So over here, AUD is not as strong as the other one. So I might actually stay away from this trade. Let's see. I might stay away from this trade and actually look for another one. Let's see. Good setup. What's a good setup? EUR try is looking good. I may take EUR try. May take EUR try. So I'm going to go ahead and move this down to the back because I want to come back and look at that one potentially. This is looking terrible. So I'm going to take that off. This is beautiful one that we missed. ERUSD was beautiful. Oh, CAD JPY looking good as well for sale. CAD JPY. So let's look at CAD JPY. CAD JPY. They're even here. They're the same strength, and I don't like that. Let's go back over here. Yeah, JPY is stronger. So over here, it refreshed faster. JPY is stronger. So I will be taking CAD JPY for the sell if I get my signal to enter using the Zenosu strategy. Now, if I don't get my signal to enter, I'm just not going to trade. It's okay to not trade sometimes and wait for the setups. That's perfectly fine. That's actually what you want to do. Now, I do have other strategies that I can use, like my brother right now. He's on the call. He's using 5-second strategies. Hey, Brian, how many trades did you just take and clear out?
I just cleared 7 in a row.
You just did 7 in a row after what you did previously?
After the 6, yeah. I grew I
Dang.
got a small account, so I just grew it from $40 to $57.
Wow. So you're taking dollar trades over there.
Yeah.
I see. Boom. I'm in that trade. I just entered CAD JPY. And look at that entry. As soon as I enter, she dropped. She dropped. Now, you may be wondering what my indicators on my chart are. They are completely my indicators, my settings that I have. Oh, we got a pullback. I've never seen that with this strategy. Just a little pullback, but we see it's correcting. So let's see if she's going to continue to drop during this time frame. Let's see what happens. We got a little time. Let's see what she does. And you guys know what? I actually think I need to change. Wow. So as I'm doing this, I just realized that I'm missing trades because I have my candles set to 2-minute candles, and they shouldn't have been 2-minute candles. They should have been 30-second candles, but we're still good. We're still good. We're actually about to close out another trade. That's going to be a $55 increase to our account, $26.68 profit that we have there. So do I want to trade the $55 or do I want to trade the profit? I'm going to trade the $55, $55.68. That's what we're going to trade. Jeez, look at that entry. That was beautiful, beautiful. And we're about to clear in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So now our account's sitting at 150. You guys are literally seeing me grow this account live again. And I literally could have taken that entry right there. But we're going to continue to look through the market and see if we see anything. So once I find something else, I'll be back. All right. So we're back on USD CAD. I changed my candles. I had them on 2 minutes and I was still clearing those trades. So I may have just figured something else out with that trade. So USD CAD, let me see. USD is stronger. I'm not sure if I really want to take that type of trade over here, but the overall trend is still an uptrend. So let's see. I mean, let's be patient. She's not ready. So we'll just wait. We'll see what. This would be good for sell. I would love to take this for a buy. I really would love to take this for a call. I want to find a beautiful setup. She might be getting ready. EURUSD. I didn't even check the currency strength meter on her. Well, I'm going to take her. I didn't even check the currency strength meter though. EUR, USD. They're even. They are even. Oh my. Oh my. EUR, USD are even. Let's see what happens with this. Oh my. She's dropping. She is dropping. Sheesh. She is dropping. All right. Let's see. All right. All right. We got a little momentum. We got a little momentum. Oh man, she's going down. She is going down. All right. So we'll be back and see what happens. So it looks like I'm about to take my first loss right here on those when these currencies are super tight. I entered this trade without even looking at my currency strength meter, seeing which one was actually stronger. And oh man, she just took a dump. So there's 7 seconds left. We are going to take a lesson. I'm starting my account back over at 10. I really don't even want to mess with this pair right now because how evenly matched they are when it comes to the strength. And she is going. So let's see if we can find another one. Here's one. Nope, not taking it. That definitely was one. Not gonna take that out. Here's another one. Let's pull back. Looking at AUD CAD. AUD CAD again. AUD CAD. So we're gonna bet the whole account on this pair. And if we win, we win. If we take a lesson, we take a lesson. But we are looking to take AUD CAD for a 2-minute put. And I am in that trade. Let's just hope that our analysis is right and that she dumps off, because we know AUD CAD right here. AUD CAD has the strength. Oh no, I'm going the opposite way. I'm relying just on the strategy itself. And she's dumping. She is dumping. Let's just hope she continues to dump for the time being. Let's hope. And let's see what happens. So if I close out on this trade, that's $175, meaning it erases that loss that we just had. It puts us closer to that 200 mark, and we have a minute 20 left in this. So let's see what happens here, because this is when it likes to pull back a little bit. But the overall trend is still a downtrend. But we do know AUD is stronger than CAD. There's so many things going on right now. We see that she's trying to come up right here. Had a little wick. She's coming up a little bit, but we're banging on the overall trend that the trend is going to continue to push this down. And there we go. There's a huge red candle. That's what we like to see. That's an engulfing candle. That means this candle is bigger than this candle by more than 50%. It's eating that candle up. There's 8 seconds left, 7 seconds left on this candle. We have 34 seconds left on those ones. Guys, listen, I cleared this trade. I'm just going to stop this video. I'm going to walk away. I'm going to take a break. I'm going to go get some food, come back with a fresh, clear mind, and then we will continue to trade. So we have 18 seconds left. We're looking good. We are looking good. We're looking good. You just stay right there. You ain't got to go nowhere else. Just stay right where you are. We're looking good. We're looking good. We're going to close this trade out in profit. Yes, we are. And boom, there's our account at 176. I'm going to go take a break. But anyway, till next time, we'll see you guys later. I'm going to come back a little later on and trade again. Anyway, it's your boy, KOBK, and we are out of here. So now that I just cleared those two trades, the next important part is the continuation and knowing when to get out of the trade. Now, the continuation it means you can take every single one of these trades, but you got to know when to abort mission. You got to know when to stop trading.